Hi everyone. Do you also sometimes feel the working mother's pressure? Let's talk about it. Before that, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Sethi. First things first, be satisfied with your job or business. You consider your child as one of the best gifts in your life, right? So, when you set aside a time with your child, keep aside your work or work related tensions and be very happy and attentive. In fact, when you are a working mother, your kids know how to manage things on their own. You see, there is no point trying to be perfect in all the areas because it will increase your tension. And when situation goes haywire, you might doubt your capabilities. No doubt you are doing your best, right? List down your priorities. And it's all up to you and only you whom to prioritize. Because there will be situations where you will prioritize your child over office or people and the other way around. Thank you.